Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you make your taskbar smaller in Windows 10. So firstly, open up your system and then click on settings. So if you go to the settings button here, so click on settings. So once you're on your settings here, so what you're going to do now is click on the personalization option here. So click on personalization. So once you get to personalization, on your left tab here, you will have the taskbar option here. So click on taskbar, and under taskbar here, what you have to do is you have this toggle button here, use small taskbar buttons, turn that on. So when if you turn that on, then the buttons become smaller, and also as a result your taskbar becomes smaller. So that's how basically how you can make your taskbar smaller, just by toggling this switch. And just an additional information, you can also hide your taskbar in desktop mode or in tab or in desktop mode if you want to. So you just have to toggle this switch on, so that can hide entirely your taskbar in your desktop mode, so which might be useful as well for you. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.